Welcome back. You are watching the third match in round 2 of the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The corrected scores so far have Mcauley Primary on 9 points and Greater Portmore Primary on 20 points. During the Sans face-off, we asked a question to which that person got it incorrect. We asked a question on offline that should have been passed to Mcauley Primary that was also answered incorrectly. So now we move on to section 3, the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team buzzing in, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 for each incorrect answer or if they answer before being identified. So teams with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with local affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Mcauley.
Patrick Allen.
Correct. Sports. With which sport would you associate the Jamaican O'Shane Thomas? Greater Portmore Primary.
Cricket.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Which book comes immediately after the Pentateuch in the Bible? Mcauley.
Joshua.
Correct. Science. An escalator is an example of which Greater Portmore.
Incline plane.
Incline plane.
Simple machine. Correct. English language. Does the word chic mean small, ugly, or well-dressed? Greater Portmore.
Well dressed.
Correct. Music. Which former gospel group in Jamaica recorded the song Jesus Dropped the Charges? The Grace Thrillers. General knowledge. On which continent is the River Nile? Greater Portmore.
Africa. Africa.
Correct. Television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Mcauley. Tracy Ellis Ross. Mathematics. What is $11.49 rounded to the nearest dollar? Greater Portmore.
$11.
Correct. Social studies. What is the name given to a huge ball of burning gas in space? Greater Portmore.
Meteor.
That gives off heat and light. Incorrect. A star. Television. What is the name of SpongeBob's teacher at Greater Portmore?
Mrs. Puff.
At the boating,
Mrs. Puff.
at the boating school in the cartoon series SpongeBob SquarePants. That's correct. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Mcauley.
Nestor Carter. Nestor Carter.
Jamaican athlete. Correct. Bible knowledge. Which king of Israel was married to a woman named Jezebel? Greater Portmore.
Herod.
Ahab is correct. Science. A cruise ship sailing from Florida to the Bahamas pushes away so much water that the water is able to push back with a hard enough force. What is this force equal to? Mcauley, you buzzed in first.
Upthrust.
Incorrect. The weight of the ship. English language. What figure of speech is used in this sentence? Her 99-year-old uncle passed away last. Greater Portmore.
No.
Her 99-year-old uncle passed away last week. Incorrect. Euphemism. Music. Bunny Wailer, Bob Marley, and Peter Tosh were the founding members of which Jamaican music group? Greater Portmore.
The Wailers. Bob Marley and the Wailers.
Judges? Incorrect. The correct answer is the Wailers. General knowledge. Which former president of Zimbabwe died in September 2019 at the age of 95? Robert Mugabe. Local affairs. Who is Jamaica's Commissioner of Police? Greater Portmore.
Anthony Anderson. Anthony Anderson.
Major General, correct. Mathematics. A pizza has 15 slices and is shared between Paul and John in the ratio 2:3. How many slices did Paul get? Greater Portmore.
6 slices.
6 slices.
Correct. Social studies. What is the color of the blooms on Jamaica's national flower, the lignum vitae? Greater Portmore.
Blue.
Correct. And that is the bell signifying the end of our third round and the end of today's match. The final scores now have Greater Portmore Primary on 34 points and Mcauley Primary on 11 points. So a hearty congratulations to Greater Portmore Primary and well played by Mcauley Primary. Please stay with us. We'll be back after these messages.